If you are not a fan of having guests over all the time, because who wouldn't want to live in your house after this makeover, then this video might not be for you. Welcome back to my channel. This is Atife. Coziness is a feeling that makes a house more safe and comforting for everybody. Today I'm going to discuss how to transform your home into an inviting cozy space. So let's explore some easy and simple tips that can turn your house into a warm home. Number 1. Throws and cushions. There is something about throws and cushions on the sofa that invites you to come and snuggle. After a long day at work, there is nothing like curling up on the sofa with a throw wrapped around you. I believe this is essential for achieving coziness in your home. About the cushions, I'm not the biggest fan of having too many of them, just enough that can make you more comfortable. Also, both throws and cushions are gonna add some texture, colors, and as a result, a depth to your space. Number 2. Friends and family photos. Let's talk about something that is close to our heart, photos of our family and friends. Displaying these photos in your home isn't just about filling up empty walls or consoles. It's about surrounding yourself with happy memories. Whether it's creating a gallery wall in your living room or placing a few select frames on a shelf, these personal touches bring warmth and character to your space. Just be mindful of your frames. Unless you are embracing maximalist style, aim for harmony in both size and color. Number 3. Materials that age well. Next, let's talk about materials. One of the coziest houses we have probably seen belongs to our grandparents. There is a reason their house feels so welcoming. Many things in it age well. Choosing materials that age gracefully like leather, wood, or natural fibers can bring timeless elegance and coziness to your home. These materials age beautifully, each telling a story of comfort that's been lived and loved. Number 4. Reading nook. Creating a reading nook can really add coziness to your home. For this special spot, you'll need a bookshelf, a comfortable chair, a side table, and soft lighting. It's important that this space feels authentic. Don't just use books as decorative items. We're better than this, right? Instead, fill your bookshelf with books that you love and actually read. This arrangement in your home isn't just a perfect place to store books, it's a nook that invites you to read and explore your collection. Furthermore, it adds a cozy and inviting vibe to your space like you wouldn't believe. This combination of bookshelf, perfect lighting, and a comfortable chair and table is the ultimate recipe for relaxation and reading. Number 5. Lighting. Lighting is key in creating the right mood, especially in night. By turning off the ceiling lights and instead opting for the soft, warm glow of table lamps or floor lamps, you can create a gentle, soothing ambience. I always find that warm light is a better choice at home because it feels more intimate and brings a touch of coziness and warmth. Dimmer lights are also great for making your space feel cozier. Number 6. Rugs in the kitchen and bathroom. I know, some of you might be skeptical, but hear me out. Rugs aren't just for bedroom and living room. Placing a rug in the kitchen or bathroom can really tie this space together, making them feel more cohesive and cozy. Plus, they're surprisingly practical in both areas. Give it a try and you'll be amazed at how a runner in the kitchen or a small rug in the bathroom can add depth, style, and coziness. It's all about bringing warmth underfoot and a splash of color to these often overlooked spaces. Number 7. Earthy neutral tones. Color has a significant impact. If you are in a phase that you can paint your house or buy a new furniture, consider earthy neutral tones. If you are not, don't worry, there are still plenty of ways you can incorporate this color into your home. These hues create a calm and soothing atmosphere. Moreover, they are timeless and make your space feel grounded and serene. Besides wall color and furniture, consider using throws, blankets, cushions, artwork, and rugs in earthy tones to add a touch of tranquility to your space. Number 8. Vintage artwork. Finally, let's talk about artwork. Again, remember your grandparents' house. Incorporating vintage art pieces adds character and a touch of history to your home. It's about creating a connection to the past that feels both personal and unique. And there you have it, simple yet effective ways you can make your home cozier. Guys, don't forget this. Creating a cozy house, it's all about creating a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel more comfortable. So, feel free to customize my tips to your situation. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, please hit the like and subscribe button. Stay cozy. See you in the next video.